Good morning. Today, let's discuss pricing tiers. When I was doing wedding cakes, it was very common to have a baker have three tiers of pricing, which was a lower, a medium, and a high. And the psychology of that is generally people won't go with the low price. They might not go with the high price, but they'll go with the medium one. So the medium one should be the one that you kind of expect most people to be at. I have a whole set of mini molds and I put budget crafts here. Okay, every single one of these is $5. They're all tiny, but this entire section exists because I know that people do sometimes need just one little thing, but it also exists for the relative pricing strategy where you have the low, medium, and high. So most of my molds are in the $9 to $10, $12 range, somewhere around there. I do have some sets that are more expensive, like this one, and you get more for it, but most of my sales come from sales of individual molds like this, and they're all kind of right in that price point. But the mini ones are there so that if someone only needs a small one, they can find it in my shop, and also to show a low, medium, high price range. You definitely want to put your higher price point one there so that people can find it. And you can link between these two listings to do that if you wanted to do it that way. Or if you have a wedding cake business or any other kind of wedding business where you're offering packages, you can list the packages on the same page. With an e-commerce listing, you can just put links in there and see, I have the link to the set and the single one, and people can find them from your listings. And if people see this one next to the $10 one, then they're like, oh, that $10 one is a bargain. Because people don't know how much to pay until they see it in relation to something else. So it's like a relative pricing. It's relative to this, the $10 one is a bargain, right? All right, so think about doing that in your shop. Think what you can do to give people low, medium, high. And in general, they'll go with the medium. But you have to make sure that you're presenting all three options so that they can see those prices in relation to each other. All right, so leave me questions. Give this video a thumbs up if you thought it was helpful. I appreciate the feedback, and I will talk to you guys later.